Assalamu alaikum class 7. I hope you are all fine and doing well at your home. Before starting our today topic, we have to recall our previous one. Yes, who will tell me what is our previous topic? Aisha Kashif, please tell me what is our previous topic? We have started our chapter number 7, which is algorithm and flow chart. What is algorithm, boys? Hussain Faisal, please tell me what is algorithm? Algorithm is a step-by-step procedure to solve a given problem, but they are written in a simple English. What is a simple English? In computer sciences is known as good. The simple English in which we write an algorithm is known as pseudocode. Algorithm and flow chart. Algorithm is a step-by-step instructions to solve a problem. Abu Bakar Ramzan, please tell me what is a flow chart? Yes, flow chart is a graphical representation of an algorithm. The procedure and number of steps which we have written in an algorithm is the graphical representation is flow chart. Flow chart is basically graphical representation of an algorithm. As we know, we use some type of shapes and different types of shape in flowchart. What types of shape we use in the flowchart, boys? Rayan Raheel, please tell me. We use different types of or 6 types of shape in flowchart. What is the name of first shape, boys? Yes. Ahmed Shirazi, please tell me what is the name of this shape? Yes, the name of this shape is oval shape. And it is known as terminal in the computer sciences. Good. And what is the use of this shape in flowchart? This shape is used to start or end the flowchart. This shape is used to start and end the flowchart. Good. What is the name of this shape? Abdullah Arif, please tell me. Yes, the name of this shape is diamond shape. What is the use of diamond shape in the flow chart? Iman Fatma Arif, please tell me what is the use of diamond shape in the flow chart? Yes, we use the diamond shape to take a decision. When we have to choose from one object or choose right answer, it means we are using we are applying a condition. We are drawing a diamond shape. Yes, to take a decision we use a diamond shape. Now who will tell me what are the steps or rules to write an algorithm? Hubaib, please tell me what is the rule for writing an algorithm? It should be clear, exact and well defined. Algorithm should be exact clear and well defined. What is the next rule, boys? Rayan Athar, please tell me what is the next rule? It should always begin with the word start and end with the word stop. It should always begin with the word, begin with start and end with stop. What is the third rule? Each step in an algorithm should be written in a separate line. Each step in an algorithm should be written in a separate line. What is the fourth step, boys? Steps should be numbered as step 1, step 2, step 3 and so on. I hope this video and will help you to understand, to recall our previous topic. Now we have to switch on our today topic in which we have a problem and we have to write the algorithm and draw a flow chart of the given problem. Problem number 1. Take a year from user and find either it is a leap year or not. Problem number 1 is take a year from user and find either is a leap year or not. First, I have a question. What is a leap year, girls? Hania, please tell me what is a leap year? Think about it. Yes, leap year is a year that is exactly divided by 4. Year that is exactly divided by 4 and give us a remainder 0. A year that is exactly divisible by 4 and give us a remainder 0. For example, we have a year 2024. We divide it by 4. As leap year is a year that comes after 4 years. And it has 366 days. So how many days are in a leap year? It has 366 days and exactly divisible by 4. 2024 divided by 4. Read the table of 4, girls. 4 1 times 4. 4 2 times 8, 4 3 times 12, 4 4 times 16, 4 5 times. Yes, we reached our number 4 5 times 20. 0. Next time 2. 4 0 times 0. Remainder is 2. Why we have taken 0, girls? Yes, as we know, 2 is not visible by 4. So we write 0. 4 0 times 0. 2 minus 0 is equal to 2. And next time 4 is here. 2 5 times 20 and 4 6 times 24. What the remainder is, girls and boys? The remainder is 0. It means it is a leap year. 2024 is a leap year. because it giving us a remainder 0. Now take another example. Take while our year is equal to 2023. For example, user entered 2023 year. So we have to divide it by 2023. 4 5 times, same as it is. Minus 0. 2. For 0 times 0, remainder is 2. Next time 3, 4, 5 times 20 and remainder is 3. Now we have a remainder is equal to 3. It means 2023 is not a leap year. I hope leap year concept is clear to all of you. Now we are shifted to write an algorithm. As we know, algorithm is a step-by-step procedure. It means we have to write the steps. Write the steps in simple English. Yes. And the simple English in computer sciences is known as pseudocode. Very good. How we can start writing an algorithm? Ahmad, please tell me. Yes, as we discussed the rules to write an algorithm, first we have to write algorithm, algorithm. So step STEP, step 1. Step 1. What is the first step, girls? Hafsa, Khalid, please tell me. Step 1 is start. As we discussed in the rule that algorithm should be begin with the, always begin with the word start and end with the word stop. So step number 1 is start and last step is stop or end. What is the step number 2? Yes, step number 2 is read the problem one more time. So that we can understand what is our next step. Take a year from a user and find either it is a leap year or not. It means we have to take an input a year from user. Step number 2. Input. How many inputs we have to take? Yes, we have to take a year, just one input, so we can write year, simple. Take a year. What is the next step? Step number 2 and step number 1 are well defined. They are not repeating. Is it right, girls or boys, or not? Yes, they are well defined. Step number 3. Who will tell me what is the step number 3? Step number 3 is processing. When we take an input from the user, it means we have to start working on the input. When we have taken an input from a user, it means next step is start working on the input. Set year divided by 4. When we divide a number by 4, it means it gives us some remainder. It's a working, it's an input, it's a starting process. It's a starting process. Step number 1 is start. Step number 2 is input. Input year. Input year from user. You can write it input year or input year from user. Both are corrected. Step number 3, set year divided by 4. Because we are working on it, so we use a small word which is used in algorithm as we discussed in the class. Set is for processing. Set year divided by 4. Step number 4 is, after processing, it gives us some output. But before output, we have a condition. Leap year is a year that is exactly divided by 4. But if the year is not leap year and give us the remainder 4, 3, 2, 1 or something another number, it means we have to apply a condition. And the condition is if REM is equal to 0. REM means remainder is equal to 0. I use a short word REM is equal to 0. If the remainder is equal to 0, step number 5, output leap year. Otherwise, not a leap Step number 4, if the remainder is equal to 0, the output is leap year, otherwise not a leap year. We use the word output at one time because when we are repeating it and writing it output leap year, otherwise output not a leap year, it is not a well defined and exact because we are using two words in a same sentence or step. We have to use one word and one algorithm steps or words at just one time, exactly one time. So last is step number 6 is, what is the step number 6? Who will tell me, boys? Rayan Rahil, please tell me what is the step number 6? Yes, or step number 6 is stop. We have to stop when we have reached our output and our algorithm give us the output. It means our algorithm is now it's time to stop our algorithm. Step number 6 is stop. Step number 6. Stop. End. Now it's time to dry run our algorithm, either it is correct or not. We will discuss how we can draw a flow chart of this problem in the next video lesson, inshallah. But first we have to dry run, which we have already discussed in the start of the problem. So dry run and working is, you can write dry run or working. Go to the step number 1 of algorithm. Step number 1 is start. It means our dry run and working and compiling our algorithm is starting. Step number 2, input year. Now we have to take a input and take a year from user. So year, Y-E-A-R, year is equal to take a year from user. Please tell me which year I should have to use it or any other. 1997. You can take your birth years or your mother's birth years or any other birth years. Step number 2. Set divide year divided by 4. So year is 1997 divided by 4. Now start working. 1997 divided by 4. 4 times 16, remainder is 3. Next time we have 9. 9 times 36, remainder is 3. Again we have 7. 9 times 36 and remainder is 1. It means Output is not a leap year. You have to note down this algorithm and problem in your notebook. I hope this algorithm and problem will help you to solve the next problem, inshallah. If there is any query in your problem and writing an algorithm and dry run, you can text me in the WhatsApp group or in the in my channel. Allah Hafiz.